Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about asset turnover ratio. Now what is asset turnover ratio and why is it such an important measure to see how the organization is functioning? Now let us first understand what is asset turnover ratio. Now it is a ratio between the value of company sales or revenue and the value of its assets. In simple words, how much revenue the asset of the company is generating. Now every organization, every company has certain assets. Now those assets, if they start giving revenue, and if that revenue is on a higher scale, on a big amount in comparison to the amount of the asset, it is said to be a good asset ratio. Now it is an indicator of the efficiency with which a company is deploying its assets to produce the revenue. Why? Because if my assets are giving me revenue, and that to a good amount, obviously I am efficient, right? Thus, asset turnover ratio can be a determinant of a company's performance. And that is why this is a very important and a fundamental ratio which is seen while assessing the performance of an organization. So all the assets of an organization and how much revenue those assets are generating, once we take the ratio, once we divide both, it will give you asset turnover ratio. So the higher the ratio, the better is the company's performance. Asset turnover ratio can be different from company to company. Usually it is calculated on an annual basis for a specific financial year. So if I have to calculate asset turnover ratio for a financial year 18-19, I will take it from 1st of April 2018 to 31st of March 2019. During this period, whatever revenue my assets have generated, that will be my asset turnover ratio. Simple. I hope this point is clear. Now let us see certain key highlights, how it is calculated. Now average of the assets held by a company at the beginning of the year and at the end of the financial year, keeping the total number of assets as the denominator. We have already discussed about it, so we will take the average of the assets at the beginning of the year and at the end of the financial year, right? So whatever is the asset at the start and at the end of the financial year, we will add and we will divide it by 2, or we will take an average, whatever way you want to take that average, and we will keep this in the denominator, right? And revenue, how much money the assets have generated, will be in the numerator. Now if you talk about sectors, the ratio can be higher for companies in certain sectors than others. For example, the retail sector will yield highest asset turnover ratio. Why? Because let's take an example of a Reliance store. Now Reliance is a retail store. Now in this retail store, that same asset, which is a store, is giving a lot of revenue every month, right? So that is why the asset turnover ratio for retail sector is very high. So according to survey, the retail sector scored an asset turnover ratio of 2.05 in 2014. Now retail companies generally have small asset base but high sales volume, right? The store will be same, but there will be a lot of sales which will happen in the Reliance store. Now dew point analysis basically breaks down the return on the equity into 3 parts: asset turnover ratio, profit margin, and financial leverage. So we will talk about dew point analysis as well. And once we do this analysis, asset turnover ratio is one of the parameters, right? The other two are profit margin and financial leverage. So if we talk about the calculation, it's net sales value divided by average of total assets. So I hope that point is clear. Now what if the asset turnover ratio is low? It means that there are problems with surplus production capacity, poor inventory management, and bad tax collections. So if the asset turnover ratio is low, we can form our opinion that there is some problem with the production capacity, the inventory is not being properly managed, and tax collection is also not happening in a better way. Now, what if the asset turnover ratio is very high? That means a low margin industry always tend to have higher asset turnover ratio, which means that the company is not making a lot of profit, but it is using its inventory, it's doing efficient production, right? So this basically is a very efficient organization. So you can connect with us, you can share, like and subscribe this video, and I'm sure you would have certainly